Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to extract email from domains. If you follow my tutorial, you can extract emails from unlimited domain. On this tutorial, I am going to use Webscraper. You have to install Webscraper IO. So you will search on Google Webscraper extension. Then you can go this link. Since I have already installed it, so it's not showing add to Chrome. You will see here add to Chrome, then you click it automatically install. After completing your installation, you will open developer tools. You can right click and click on inspect. You can see your extension here, or you can open developer tools, clicking three dots, more tools, developer tools. Now we do not see our extensions because to visible the extension, you have to visit any URL first. So let me visit one website first. Now again open developer tool. You can see here is our extension. To extract data from a website, you have to create a sitemap. What is sitemap? A sitemap is the structure of the website. But on this tool, the sitemap is you are telling the tool that you have to collect data from that part to that part. On this page, there have lots of data, like here is the name, about, social media, pages. You can see here is the another body. You can see here is name, title, email, website. So when we need any specific data, we have to teach the tool that here is the data, you have to collect it. So that is the sitemap. So you have to create a sitemap. Let's click here, create sitemap. You have to give a sitemap name. You cannot use any space between words. So domain hyphen email hyphen extractor. It's showing that already this name is available. So I am using extractor 2 or 1 URL. I am giving this URL here. Create the sitemap. After completing creation, you have to tell the extension that where from you have to collect the information. So let's add a selector. This selector, we have to show the path where our data is available. So you have to give a selector ID, or you can say it's a name. Let's name it a email. You can check the type of the data. If you want text from the web page, you can select text. If you need links from the web page, you can select links. If you need image, you can select image, table, and everything. So if I want to show you a simple example, just click link. Let's we collect URL from this body. So we want URL. So URL means anchor text A. Let's see the data what this sitemap collect from this website. Data preview. You can see from this website it's collect URL. So if we check this box, this sitemap will collect all the URLs from this website. Check data preview. You can see these all the links on this site available. The sitemap collect all the URL. So since we want to collect email from this web page, we will teach this tool that you have to collect mail. So how we make understand to this tool that this part is email, and there are lots of techniques we can make understand this tool and that this is the email we want. First of all, on this site, if you want to collect email, we can use a jQuery selector like contains @. If any elements contains @, it will collect the data. Let's see the data preview. We have to change the type to text. Let's data preview. We can see it collects all the text. So you have a question, I think, so that we want data that has only @. Why this sitemap collect all the text? Because on this body @ is available with all of this text. So the sitemap or the tool collect all the text as a selector. So it's collect all the text with emails. You can see here is the email. But if you want only the text that available @, we can select the type group. Now this tool will understand that if the text has @, then it will collect that text. Let's see the data preview. You can see it's collect all the text, but it's also collect email separately. So this is how we can understand a tool to collect a email. So if we use more advanced technique to understand this tool, that you have to collect @ that is also linked on this web page. So if you hover on this email, we can see it is a link. We also see this website URL also a link. So link means anchor. If we go to the code of this page, we can see the email is inside the anchor. So this is a link. So now we collect all the links that has @. So how we make this understand this tool? Using A. Now if we see, let's remove the A and check in element preview. This will select all the body elements. Now close the preview and use A. Then element preview, we can see it's only pick one element from this body or web page. Now if we close this preview and want to see the data preview, then we will see that this tool only collect this email only. Let's see. You can see here the email. So save it. So now we'll go to another website. So this website is structure and the previous website is structure is not same, but the sitemap is so advanced. We already create a advanced sitemap using this selector. This selector is advanced. So this selector or the sitemap will understand that if we visit any website, if we see any @ in a URL, we'll pick the data. So let's see the data preview. We can see here is the email. This sitemap also collect this email from this website. So our sitemap is ready to collect email from unlimited website. Now, if we scrap and start scrapping, we can see this, open this website and it's finished the scraping. If we refresh this, we can see it collect one data and one email from one website. Now, how can we scrap 1,000 website? There is an option. We have to edit metadata. Then we have to edit multi websites. If we want to extract email from this website, if we want to extract email from this website, we can add it here. But this is very time consuming, because if we have thousands of websites, how can we add here? To add unlimited website on this section, we can use Google Sheet. With some tricks, we can add it here unlimited website. Unlimited means at a time on this sitemap, we can add 10,000 websites. So at a time, we can extract 10,000 email from 10,000 domain. So first save this and export the sitemap, copy the sitemap and paste it here. Now, if we look the sitemap, we can see here is our website we have added on this tool. So now we have two added websites here. So what we can do now? Let's create the structure like this. So how we can make this structure? We have a quotation from the beginning and the end and a comma. So let's make this structure. Here is the quotation. Here is a quotation and a comma. So remember, the last one cannot have a comma. So now we have to concat it. Now copy and paste it as a value. Now we can see our data is ready. We can paste it here. Now copy this, and our sitemap's name is domain email extractor 1. So we can delete it, or we can just import sitemap. And since this sitemap name already available, we can rename it to import. Now go to here and edit sitemap metadata. We can see all the domains listed here. Now what we have to do? Just go to scrap. You have to increase the page load delay time. Here is 2000 millisecond. You have to make it 5000, because if your internet is slow or the website load too much, then if you give page load delay very little, like 1 second or 2 seconds, then you will the sitemap data cannot collect the data from this web page. So we have to increase this data. Now start. Now we can see it's starting, and so I pause the video. Before completing this extraction, I will resume again. It's scraping, still scraping. So if we click refresh, we can see the scraper scrap this emails from these websites. So it's still processing. If any site does not load, it cannot collect any email. Now you can see the scraper complete is scraping. Now we can export our data as CSV file. So we can copy this part and paste them here, or we can just copy data from here, paste them here. We can clean and formatting. We can see the sitemap did not collect email from this website. Let's check is this website's email is available or not. Let's visit this site. We can see on this website email was available, but the extension did not collect the email. So what we can do for this type of website, we can call this, and we can see this is not a URL. So the sitemap did not collect email from this website. So to collect this with emails, I will make a second video so that the sitemap understand that any website can have email without a link, and some website can have email inside the link. So how we can collect them? I request you to watch my second video that will be more advanced to collect email from a domain. Thank you.